Hi guys, this is KK. Welcome to KKR Tech Info channel. Today let us see the complete review video of MI Band HRX edition. So this is the box that I got from the content box. So this is the charger, this is the black strap, this is the actual smartwatch. So first of all, let us see the features. It will give 23 days battery life. It is certified by IP67 certified. It is resistant to water, cosmetics, sweat and dust, splashes or corrosion. Here you will get the notifications, call notifications, SMS notification, email notifications and more, etc. It has the OLED display. And first of all, you have to download and install an app from MI Android store, Play Store. The app name is MI Fit. So there you will get all the details, dashboard regarding settings, number of steps a day, number of calories burnt. All the details you will get in the tab only. To get connected with that app, so you have to turn on after installation of MI Fit app. You have to turn on your Bluetooth. So this device automatically synchronizes, connects to your device. There you can monitor all the settings and you can enable all the settings. So let us see. So these are all the settings I have enabled today in my smart band. Here it is showing time format, date format. These are my 8,489. These are the number of steps today I have walked. This is 5.9 kilometers. Today I have walked for 5.9 kilometers. Then 179. This is 179 calories burnt today. I have consumed 179 calories for all this workout. So this is about. And one more thing, battery. So I put battery 4 hours ago. Now it is showing still 99%, which means the battery backup is very good. So yeah, in this budget, 1000 rupees budget, what is a sufficient person? So you can just install and download and install the MI Fit app and get connected and turn on your Bluetooth, connect with this device to your smartphone. You can monitor everything. You can set goals also, walking, number of steps goal, weight gain goal, everything you will get. I think you like this video. Thanks for watching.